Hi there, Tash Went here, your AI educator. I'm here today to show you how to use ChatGPT and Canva Pro and create 30 motivational quotes. So we're going to use the bulk create function. Now, those of you who are a content creator or you create value for your business and you do use Canva, but you don't have Canva Pro, I highly recommend that you actually upgrade your Canva by spending the $99 for the year because it is a very highly valuable tool. And this particular function within Canva is so helpful and it will really streamline. So if you're spending the Sunday, like today being the first of the month, if you were to spend your Sunday setting up at least 30 days worth of content and all you wanted to do is like motivational quotes to sort of inspire your audience, then this is a great tool to use. So let's get started, shall we? First of all, you're going to need your ChatGPT screen open. You will also be required to get your Canva Pro sorted, and then you can use Excel. Now, when we use Excel, we will be saving it down as a CSV file. So let's get started. Number one, let's ask ChatGPT to create 30 motivational quotes for the purpose so that we can share it on Instagram. So I always like to say hi to ChatGPT. Let me see if I can move this. Let's move me out of the way, shall we? Okay, so ChatGPT. Apologies if I'm not looking at you. I'm going to be looking at the screen as I do this. So we say hi to good old ChatGPT. Let's move me over here. Actually, let's just move me over here. Okay, so how can I assist you today? Please help me. Please help me to create. I wish I could type. Create 30 motivational business. No, let's just go with 30 motivational quotes to inspire entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs, EURS. Entrepreneur, that's not how you spell it. In showing up on Instagram. I'm really bad at typing today. Instagram. My goodness me. Instagram. In showing up on Instagram daily. Place the quotes in table format. Thank you. I always like to be polite. So let it see what it does, and here we go. You can see here by literally telling it exactly what you want, and we want it in table format, it will produce it for you. So we'll just wait for that to finish. There's some good quotes in here. And then what you want to do is you want to just check. You want to read over these quotes and make sure that they're still that they're in line with what you want. So you've got here, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts. So very true, Winston Churchill. Dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. I highly recommend that. Okay, so there's some really good quotes here. Now, what we want to do is we want to take a copy of this. So you would basically go down the screen, pick up all the information, like a typical copy and paste. We go over there, simply copy. Now what we want to do is we want to go to Excel, open a blank sheet, and then paste this into Excel, right? And then you can just format this a little bit. Let's just make this nice and tidy. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to save this down. So save as a CSV file. This is really important. So you look for comma delimited, so the CSV file, and we are just going to call it motivational quotes. And I'm going to put it to my PC. Actually, we'll just browse and we just want to put it in the downloads section, to be fair. Downloads, wonderful. Save that. Right. Now, we're going to come out of there and we're going to go into the templates. So we're going to go into templates. Now in Canva, what you want to do is I've just put a search function. I've just searched quote template. Then what you want to do is have a scroll around here. Let's just move me again. You want to scroll and have a look at a template that you like best. For the purpose of this, we're just going to use something very simple. So let's just go with this one here, or let's see what else we've got. Is there anything else that's fun and dandy? You can get lost in here with looking for quote templates, but go with something that, you know, sits with you. All right, let's go with this. No, that's interior design. Let's not go with that. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just go back to the simple Instagram, okay? So we select this and we're like, yep, let's customize this template. It will then go into the creative mode. All right. So here we have the template. Now what we want to do is we want to go to, now for me, bulk create, I have already added it in. If you're new to Canva Pro, you would go to apps and then you would look at apps and you would add or you would search bulk create. But as you can see here, I already have bulk create here. So I'm just going to click this. Now, remember how we saved the CSV file? What we're going to do is we're going to upload that CSV file into Canva. So we click upload CSV and it will go here and it will ask me to find it. So here you go. There's my motivational quotes. Now, what we have here is we only want this information, okay? So what we're going to do here is we're going to right click and we're going to say connect data, okay? And what we want to do is over on the left-hand side, you can see there's the quote number and there's the motivational quote. What we want to do is we want to put this motivational quote information into this section here of the template. So when you right click the button and you get connect data, you then want to select motivational quote. When you do that, you can see here, you can also get rid of this. So you could literally just delete that, okay? Now, go back to continue and you can see how it's brought in on the left-hand side. You can see it's brought in all 30 quotes. What you're going to do is you can either just do one or you can select all and have all 30 quotes created for you. You can also decide if you want to change this background, etc. But I'll leave that up to you. Now what we want to do is we want to generate the 30 quotes. So let's click generate 30 pages. And what you can see here, and what I'm going to do is see this little for the grid view. I'm just going to click on the grid view so you can see how all 30 of those have been created for you. Okay, that's stage one. What you would then need to do is go into each one, and you might just need to do some slight adjustments. So you might want to go in and make the font smaller. You may wish to edit the image or delete the image and change it. There's a heap of stuff that you can do in here. You can separate this out a little bit if you want and make that like so. Just do a little bit of editing. It's completely up to you, but the bulk of it is already done for you. So this is just another way for you to create motivational templates. Then what you do, once you've created these 30 templates, you then simply share. So what you could do is download and then you can start to schedule, or you can schedule. Like there's loads that I can tell you to do in here, but I'm going to just stop there because it gets a bit complicated and I don't want to overload you. The whole point was to use ChatGPT to create the content that you want, i.e. motivational quotes. Then you go into Canva Pro, you use the bulk create function, You upload that information using the bulk create function, and then you would generate it and then do your editing ready to go for when you're ready to post to your Instagram, Facebook, or any social media. I hope that has helped you. If you want me to go into more detail, I'm happy to do more classes. Just let me know. Bye.